See, this is where I fucked up. I got this new car, and I didn't have this, this payment of a car, and then the car is newer, so the insurance went up by two almost. Goddamn, I was paying like one sum, now it's like three something. I don't know if that's normal. I need to fuck that out, because I feel like I'm getting scammed. That's a lot. That's a lot. So it's making my pockets hurt for real. When that $800 used to be investment, now it's like I'm just losing it. I'm taking advantage of the car. I'm driving it. I like it, but it gets to a point where you can't even drive that fast, right? You can't even drive that fast because these motherfuckers. I've been lucky once. That was my little warning. I didn't even get no ticket or anything. He didn't check me, nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I've been lucky.